Welcome back to our channel, Hume's Little Homestead. Today we're going to open some things we bought up for outside on our front walkway we just did. Let's see what we got. Are you having a good day? Good.
Mom, you fold D.
I did what?
You fold D.
I did.
Okay, are they gonna work?
They are.
I have a vision for our front pathway that we just started working on last weekend?
Yeah.
It was 2 weekends ago. I can't remember. It will all be in one video. YouTube magic.
I already see one problem though.
What?
I do not know how we're going to attach them to the...
Oh, I thought they came with little hooks. We're gonna have to like hole punch it.
We can't, you know.
I do. Punch it.
I missed that. Do it again, Emmett. I can hole punch it. Ooh. How is it on? It hasn't even been in the sun.
It's got a battery as well.
So these are supposed to be solar panel. Solar powered. Oh, man. My vision is that these little jars hang from these really cute little...
Dingies?
Yeah, thingies. Now my vision's ruined.
Your vision is not ruined. I can make your vision work. I always do.
Emmett's flying.
He's potty training, guys. You're a crazy boy, you know that?
Here we go. Ooh, that's cool. I like that it's so many. Yeah, I like that small size best.
I like this.
Me too.
Me too. That dream.
Get in there.
It's funny, my mom.
Oh.
I'm up. It's on. Dude.
It's not screwing on right.
Ah, don't break it. Don't force it, please. Okay. Oh, that's exactly how I wanted it to look. Now, how do we get it to hang? Maybe just something around the edge right here, because it needs to be. It doesn't. I don't want any holes there, because if you put holes there, then the water can get in and ruin the light. So maybe just like tie like. Do we have any like?
Oh, we could use that wire.
Twine. Oh, just wire.
Yeah, that baling wire. We can wrap once around and make a little loop.
Yes.
See, I'm good.
Yes!
Let's do this thing.
I'm gonna go grab. All right, so we're gonna make a little hanger for these things. So I'm just gonna use some simple baling wire. I made this one already just to see if it would work. So it's just a really simple. We'll see if we can recreate it. But we're not off to a good start.
Somebody told you to measure stuff.
Nobody.
Yeah.
What are you two doing?
I was trying to smash his fingers.
Okay, let's see here. I'm just making this up as I go.
What is baling wire? Like, why is it called baling wire?
It's used for fencing, for tying bales of things, I guess. I don't know.
What did he say?
I think he said dirty.
Damn it.
Music's gonna have to go over this part.
Hopefully it doesn't fall.
There we go.
Did it work?
Yep.
Does it need to be twisted on tighter or anything? For some reason, these lights won't turn off. Don't know if that means it's gonna die sooner. They're all supposed to be solar powered, so
I think we did get the cheapest ones on Amazon.
yeah, we definitely did. Like a little jungle in there. Yeah, that looks great. Ooh, I don't know if those are gonna fit. How I imagine. I think that's the one that doesn't work. There's something down there.
Yes, there is.
Maybe let's do a different one first so that
Just gonna push these in.
the other way instead.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way, that way, because right here they're kind of hanging into the walkway quite a bit. So I think that'll put them out about 6 more inches. So I think we will attempt that.
Yeah, I like that. It's whimsical. Ah, so cool. What do you think, Oreo? Is Marshmallow gonna leave it alone?
Get you! You want to play?
Are they all switched on?
Mhm.
Uh-oh. That one was on when I got home, but now it's off. We ended up needing to order 2 more lights for the end, but for the most part, the other ones have been working great, and Amazon was really good about replacing our 2 that didn't work. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry this was in 2 parts. I had originally planned for this video to be 1 complete video, but we appreciate you watching and following along with our journey on homesteading and improving our home. Have a wonderful day. Bye.